Okay, this is my problem for the homework. I'm doing problem 7 off homework 1.1 and 1.2. Okay, the problem is x plus 8, and that's going to be over x minus 5. And we're going to have then it goes plus 1 right here. And then we have it equal to 13, and that's also over x minus 5. So first off, we have to cancel out, or we're going to get rid of these x minus 5s right here. So I'm going to multiply up here, x minus 5. It's going to be multiplied to that. I'm going to multiply the plus 1 by x minus 5. I'm going to multiply the x plus 8 over x minus 5 by x minus 5. Okay, so we're at the 13 right here. X minus 5, that's going to cancel each other out. And then we're going to go bring that 13 down, so we're going to bring the equal sign down. The 13 is all alone now, so we're just going to have that 13 right there. And then next one, the plus 1, so we're going to have 1 x minus 5 right here. Just going to bring that down. Then we're going to have the x minus 5 and x minus 5 right here. That's just going to cancel out, just like the first one. Just cancel those out. We're going to go plus x plus 8. So we have x plus 8 plus 1, and I'm going to put that into that to give us x minus 5. That's going to be equal to 13. I'm going to bring down this x plus 8, right? And then there's a plus sign right here. So now I'm just going to add up all the ones that go together. So we're going to have the two x's go together. So it's going to be 2x. I'm just going to cross out the x's after I do that, just to get them out of the way. Then we're going to have 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, that's going to be a 3. So I'm just going to take out those. We're going to have plus 3 because the positive number was greater than the negative number, so plus 3. And that's going to equal out to 13. So we have 2x plus 3 equals 13. So what I'm going to do here is subtract the 3, equal it out. It's going to be a 10 to x. I'm going to divide by 2 right here. X is going to be equal to 5. So we're not done just yet, though. I'm going to check this. Now, there's two ways you can check it. I'm going to plug it back in. Some people, there's two ways some people do it, but I'm going to show both ways. So some people just plug it into this one right here. So on the already multiplied out version, so x plus 8 plus x minus 5 equals 13. So x equals 5, so we're going to go 5 plus 8 plus 5 minus 5 equals 13. All right, let's see if we get that. So 5 plus 8, 13 right there. Just going to cross those bad boys out. Then we have 5 minus 5, which is going to cancel out to be plus 0 equals 13. Then 13 plus 0 is 13 equals 13. That checks good, right? Wrong. We're going to have to go back all the way back into the first one. So we're going to have x plus 8 over x minus 5 plus 1 equals 13 over x minus 5. That's our original one, is right here. That's this one. Original problem we started with. So we're going to plug in 5. We're going to start with the denominators, plugging in 5, because that is our x right here. So we're going to go x plus 8 over 5 minus 5 plus 1 equals 13 over 5 is our x, so it's going to go in for 5, minus 5. So you see here, I'm not even going to plug it in up here yet, because right here our denominator are going to be equal to 0. So since that is the problem, it's going to be no solution. If the denominator equals 0, it's always going to be no solution. So denominator is going to be equal to 0, which means no solution. And so since that's no solution, that's going to be your answer, is right here, no solution, and that is our problem. So thank you, and